Today we have a video from the Crime Piece, and the title of the video is Fake Lowe's Truck with 17 Illegal Immigrants Hidden Inside.
Authorities conduct a traffic stop on what appears to be a Lowe's home improvement store delivery truck.
Hello? Hi, what truck? Can you turn off the truck and come on talk to me? Because I can't see you and I can't hear you. Just step out. Bring your driver license with you. Let's step out over here in front of my car because I can't see you. Oh yeah, you're definitely tall. Come over here. Over there. Stand right here. Right here. Right there. You have your driver license with you? The reason I put you over is because your registration's expired. Who do you work with?
I'm a subcontractor.
Self-contractor? Yeah. Okay.
And I'm not in charge of the tag.
Let's go back over there before we get hit by a car. Over here, back here. Right there. So what were you saying?
I said I'm not in charge of the tag. That's why I didn't know.
Oh, okay.
I have my own box truck also.
Okay, so where are you coming from?
I'm going to Sonora.
Sonora? From where?
From Eagle Pass.
From Eagle Pass? Okay. What do you do? You just deliver or you pick up?
Yeah, deliver.
You deliver?
Mm-hmm.
Do you happen to have your delivery papers with you?
BOL.
What about insurance? Insurance-wise?
Insurance.
Okay. We'll just wait on it. Where are you from?
I'm from Mississippi.
Mississippi? That's a long way from home.
I stay in Houston.
You stay where?
I stay outside of Houston.
You stay outside of Houston?
Like right on the line.
How long have you been living in Houston?
Not that long.
Not that long? Like a month, 2 months? Are you nervous?
Nervous?
Yeah, you're like a little shaky. That and ship to. So what was your route today?
That's where I'm going, actually, to Sonora.
Sonora, but then you came from where?
From San Antonio.
Okay, and then?
To Eagle Pass, and now I'm going to Sonora. I spent the night in Eagle Pass.
You spent the night in Eagle Pass? What did you drop off anything in Eagle Pass?
Yeah,
like,
I picked up something.
Oh, you picked up something?
Yesterday.
Okay, and now you're heading to Sonora.
Headed to Sonora. Then after Sonora, we're going to San Antonio. After San Antonio, I'll be headed home.
Okay, back to Houston?
Yeah. It's my grandmother's birthday.
Okay, let me run your information. And you said insurance, it should have.
It's right at the top.
It's right at the top paperwork. I'll check in my system. If I have an issue, then I'll come back. So company is the one who takes care of the truck. That's why you weren't aware that it was expired?
Yeah, I'm just the driver. Yeah, so I didn't even look at the tag. They supposed to handle all of that. I didn't even look at the tag, so that's my bad. I didn't look at it. Yeah, I did not know that.
So you picked this up where?
Pick what up where?
This stuff.
Well, I had a load in Sonora, in Eagle Pass. I also picked up a load from Eagle Pass.
What'd you pick up?
I got 2 doors, some plywood, sheetrock, and I got 4 doors. Pantry doors and exterior.
And you're picking up and you're taking to Sonora.
And then after that, like I told her, I'd be going to San Antonio.
This was supposed to be picked up 5 days ago.
I have 2 of those. I can show you the others.
Do you have the address in Sonora that you're going to? Have you ever been arrested before? Like, have you been in trouble before? No?
Got in a fight playing basketball.
Did you get in trouble for that? Did you get arrested for that?
They just put me up against the car and told me to calm down. It's Crockett, 1302 Edge Crockett, Sonora, Texas. And I think that they says that because they were supposed to pick it up but didn't. That's here. So.
Would you mind us searching your vehicle? Are you okay with it?
Man, what am I supposed to say?
It's yes or no, if you're okay with it. Yeah. If you're okay with it. Can you open the back?
Is yours? No. Oh, no. Y'all put locks on it? They tried to break up the door and they got locked.
Yeah.
No consigo, ¿verdad?
Upon further inspection of the vehicle, it becomes clear that this is a regular truck that has been made to look like a Lowe's delivery truck. Even the driver is wearing a Lowe's shirt, despite having no affiliation to the company at all.
When did they add that wood panel at the end? It looks semi-new. You don't know?
They actually just got this truck about, I think he said maybe 2 months.
Like 2 months ago? When was the first time you drove the truck?
Out here, this is my first time. But I've drove it in San Antonio before.
San Antonio? Okay.
That's it, though. This is my second time.
Okay, give me a second. This is fresh. And it's loose. Yeah, if I, like...
Can you walk in this?
No.
Look at the bare feet.
Oh, shit. Yeah. You see it? It's loose.
Shit like over? Oh, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This wood, you could tell, look, this is new.
Man, they do this, man. They really do this. They do this for a living, man. They do this. A lot of these times, the guys are taking the same routes when they smuggling these people in here, man. Taking the same highways, the same routes. Now, I'm not gonna lie. Having the logo, the Lowe's logo is a nice touch. I ain't gonna lie, because somebody would just look at that and be like, okay, they good. But no, man. No, man. Your paperwork not right, you're cooked. You're cooked. See, you know, the way that a lot of people get away with these things is, you know, they have trucking companies and this, that, and the third, and it seems legit, and it's legit, right? But like, they paperwork is up to par, so they able to maneuver, boom, 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 and not really have no problems like that, unless they gotta stop, you know, maybe a truck stop or something, or not a truck stop. What do they call them? What's them resting point? Not the resting points, but I forget, on the side of the road where they gotta go and get on the scale and all of that type of stuff. I'll be forgetting what that stuff is called, but yeah. But a lot of times they be legit, so they don't get stopped that often. But yeah, man, you're cooked. They look for this stuff, man.
I see boss. I see them. Hey, uno por uno. Uno por uno vaya saliendo. Uno por uno.
They packed in there like sardines, boy.
Hold on.
Espérese.
Yeah, I can smell it from the outside.
Smell it. I just, whenever I was
You smelled it?
inside and when he was on the outside, that's all.
Well, I saw the compartment. It looked brand new.
I can tell you, like, I can smell it. Yeah. So I'm just putting my hand up.
We get it.
Okay, uno por uno. Ven. ¿Qué tienes más en la mano? ¿Están bien? Ok, vente. Siéntate aquí. Ahí.
Just here and there.
Siéntate ahí, por la puerta. Sarge, you can see? Yeah. Right there. Siéntate ahí. Cruza los pies. Ven. Hey? No, I don't know how many there are.
Okay.
Unless you guys.
We're just putting here, see how many, and then we can.
Siéntate.
I got enough thoughts for.
Cruza los pies. Crucen los pies.
Let's find out and then we'll get him out. Tóquense.
Vamos, uno por uno. Vamos. Ven. Ya están. Vamos. ¿Puedes?
My guy can't even breathe. He been in there so long.
¿Estás bien? Siéntate allá, al lado de ellos y cruza los pies. Cruza los
They've
pies.
been cramped up.
¿Estás bien? Okay. ¿Están dormidos? Ponte un poquito así, para allá. ¿Cuántos son? No sé, son
Disregarding all risks involved, the smugglers crammed no less than 17 people inside this 3-foot wide hidden compartment that had no air ventilation.
Si te puedes arrastrar,
damn.
te puedes arrastrar para allá. Siéntese aquí. Y crucen los pies. Ven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Pongan atención a las patrullas fronterizas.
All of them people fit in a 3-foot wide small compartment with no ventilation. These people doing whatever they gotta do to get to America, man. Oh boy. They could pass out. Man, no air ventilation. It's probably hot in there.
Final count, sir.
17.
Any juveniles?
¿Cuántos años tiene? ¿Todos son mayores de edad? ¿Hay alguien de 18 y para abajo?
Mexicano, usted.
¿No?
Salvador, usted. Thank you.
¿Quiénes?
¿De dónde eres?
¿Están bien? ¿Necesitan ayuda médica?
Mira, ¿de dónde son ustedes? México, México.
Let's see. What do you do for work?
Easier there, wash cars, change tires.
So handyman, extraordinaire, self-employed kind of thing. Oh, I see that. So we know that you're from Mississippi. You live, you work, you stay in Mississippi. You're in Texas. When did your trip to Texas? Yesterday. So you left Mississippi yesterday. About what time did you leave yesterday?
6 something.
And what was your purpose of going to Texas?
Actually, I came to Texas because I really struggled back home. So I was looking for some money.
Okay. Did you have a job offer here when you came this way, or were you just coming over?
Well, both. One wasn't really just all the way 100%. So I just came in.
What was the offer?
That truck that I was in, to deliver that from Eagle Pass to Sonora.
Okay. So you didn't drive the truck from Mississippi here. What'd you drive from Mississippi here? What airport you fly at?
Negative, right?
And which airport did you land in? Houston. And then you drove from Houston to Eagle Pass? Rental car? Rental car from Eagle Pass, or Houston to Eagle Pass? Did you take a rental car? How'd you get from Houston to Eagle Pass? Oh, you drove the box truck from, so you picked the box truck in Houston, and then you drove all Eagle Pass. Where'd you pick up the box truck at?
They made me, well, it was actually at a store. I didn't go to a house or anything. Like a little savage yard. Not a savage yard, but like, I guess we used to park a truck at. One of those. It was beside the store.
Did they send you an address, or?
Send the address to where I was going.
No, the pick up the box truck. They just told you where to show up?
When I got there, the Uber was already waiting on me.
Okay. So who offered you this job to drive this box truck?
Okay, so I know a guy back from Mississippi, but he knows guys elsewhere. So actually, he told me about it. But like I was telling the officer last night, though, I never did get the guy's name. That was my first name. Never met.
And that's the guy who originally told you about this job. So your actual contact that you don't know his name. How do you contact you?
How does he contact me? Well, when I first came down, he was on an app.
He's on an app?
Snapchat at first.
Snapchat at first. So he offered you a job through Snapchat?
My friend from Mississippi told me about the job,
Okay.
and I guess it's his job when he's over, that's how that happened.
Okay. So you pick up the truck in Houston, drive to Eagle Pass. What happened with Eagle Pass?
When I say
No, just tell me what happened.
Hey,
The
General.
entire trip happened.
I slept, woke up, I supposed to take that to Sonora this morning. That's what I was headed to, and
So
the
you,
truck was already on full when I got in there.
so you go from Houston, Eagle Pass, you stop one time from Houston. You get to Eagle Pass.
Houston to Eagle Pass, yeah, that's happened.
So once you get to Eagle Pass, you go straight to the hotel and stop. That's it right there.
You gotta think about it, I caught my flight at 6 something, so I didn't get here till 8 something. So that means I drove. I don't know how far it is, but yeah, a few hours. So that means. So my drop was supposed to be this morning at 6:30. That's why I left out the time I did from the hotel. There's no need for me to get at the hotel. I just wanted in the shuttle. That's my time shut to get.
So you're talking about you don't not having any cash, you're struggling. Who paid for the flight?
So the flight was already paid for, so they sent me the confirmation number.
Who paid it for you?
I'm guessing the guy who got the job for me. And it was all in a short time frame, so I didn't think, none of you guys asked me all these questions. I just thought about like, okay, what's this guy's name? Who is this guy? But, all right.
A new Texas law took effect in 2024 that enhances the mandatory minimum prison sentence to 10 years if the act creates a risk of death or serious injury, which this case falls under. As a result, the
Yeah, because they had no ventilation. Wow.
Texas law took effect in 2024 that enhances the mandatory minimum prison sentence to 10 years if the act creates a risk of death or serious injury, which this case falls under. As a result, the suspect was sentenced to 10 years in state prison.
Wow. Yep. Because there was no ventilation. All of them people packed in there like that for all those hours. No ventilation, nothing. Man, they do whatever they could to man, yo. I'm telling you, when I be traveling, like you hear it on repeat, right? When I be traveling, everyone's dream, you know, you talk to the guys and the girls and everything. Everyone's dream is they want to leave. They want to come to the United States, yada, yada. Like, they want to work abroad and all this other stuff. And I'm like, man, damn, people are trying to go to where you at, but make American dollars, though, not making what y'all make, you know. But still, man, I feel like it's tough. And I go back and forth about it, but it's like with people, I feel like it's easier to be successful where you're at because you know your country like no other, right? Than to go somewhere else, risk going to jail, being illegal. You don't know the system over there. So even if you come over here illegally, you're gonna be working under the table, doing construction jobs, things of that nature, not really, because you're not a citizen, so you can't really do what you know, it's just, man. And then with the internet nowadays, it's easy to make money online, like, you know, it's just, I mean, it's not easy, but it's hard work, but it's with the immersion of the internet, man, it really made people, even in these foreign countries, if they really want to get to it, start making some money, they can. But I get it, it's hard, man. Poverty and everything, they can't afford certain things and stuff, but it's that bad that you gotta risk, you pretty much risking your life to come to the United States, man. Anyways, yeah, man. So I get an officers a 5. You know, they did a great job. Especially that lady officer being able to find that, because it did look like a normal truck, but with that looseness in the wood and all that stuff, yeah, cooked. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.